Ever pondered over the mysteries of the cosmos, especially our solar system? Let's embark on a cosmic journey, unraveling the secrets and marvels hidden within our very own celestial neighborhood. We'll be counting down 15 mind-blowing facts about our solar system, each more astonishing than the last. From the heart-shaped glacier on Pluto to the supersonic winds of Neptune, there's plenty to discover. So fasten your seatbelts, space enthusiasts. Brace yourself as we plunge into the celestial depths of our solar system. Starting our countdown at number 15, did you know that Pluto has a heart? Quite literally, in fact. This distant celestial body has a large, heart-shaped glacier made of nitrogen ice. This heart isn't just for show either. It's a dynamic feature that's reshaping Pluto's surface through a process called convective overturn. It's like Pluto's heart is beating, slowly sculpting the world beneath it. So, Pluto may not be a planet anymore, but it definitely has a heart. At number 14, we have Venus, the rebel of the solar system. While most planets in our solar system rotate in the same direction they orbit the Sun, Venus likes to mix things up. It rotates in the opposite direction, a phenomenon known as retrograde rotation. Imagine running a race, but instead of going with the crowd, you're sprinting in the opposite direction. That's Venus for you. It's like the planet version of a teenager refusing to follow the rules. Venus truly spins to the beat of its own drum. Landing on number 13, Mars is home to the tallest mountain in the solar system. Meet Olympus Mons, a giant shield volcano that stands almost 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Yes, you heard it right, 3 times. It's about 13.5 miles high. This Martian mammoth is so tall it literally sticks out of Mars' atmosphere. Imagine that! A mountain so tall, it reaches into space. Mars' Olympus Mons makes our Mount Everest look like a kid's sandcastle. For our 12th fact, we're exploring the giant of our solar system, Jupiter. This colossal planet really puts things into perspective. Imagine 11 Earths lined up side by side. That's how wide Jupiter is. And if you were to stuff all the planets in our solar system into a cosmic blender, you'd need over 1,300 Earths to fill up Jupiter. Now, that's a smoothie I wouldn't recommend. So next time you're feeling big, remember Jupiter, the heavyweight champion of our solar system. On to number 11. Saturn's iconic rings are disappearing. Yes, you heard right. Saturn, the jewel of our solar system, is gradually losing its glitter. This is due to a process called ring rain, where gravity pulls ice particles from the rings into the planet. Over a span of 100 million years, the rings could completely vanish. It's as if Saturn is slowly but surely losing its bling. So, better get those telescopes out before Saturn's rings are history. Crashing into number 10. Did you know Uranus rotates sideways? Unlike other planets in our solar system that spin like tops, Uranus rolls along its orbit like a ball. This unique tilt, possibly caused by a massive collision billions of years ago, means that its poles experience 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. Talk about extreme seasons. So while the rest of the solar system dances to one beat, Uranus waltzes to its own. Uranus, the oddball of our solar system. At number 9, we have Neptune's supersonic winds. Get this, the winds on Neptune can reach speeds of over 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. Imagine standing in such a windstorm, you'd be swept off your feet in no time. These powerful winds whip around the planet, creating dark spots that are actually massive storms. It's a pretty wild weather forecast if you ask me. So there you have it, Neptune, the windiest planet in our neighborhood. And now, for the final countdown, facts 8 to 1. Fact number 8 takes us to the very center of our solar system, the Sun. Did you know that the Sun is so large it could fit 1 million Earths inside it? Yeah, you heard correctly, 1 million Earths. If that doesn't make you feel small, I don't know what will. Next up, fact number 7. This one's about our moon, and it's a real gem. The moon doesn't have an atmosphere, so it can't trap heat. This results in some extreme temperature swings. It can be as hot as 260 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, and as cold as -280 at night. Talk about needing a versatile wardrobe. Moving on to fact number 6, let's talk about Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system. Despite its tiny size, Mercury has a huge impact on our solar system. It has the most elliptical orbit of all the planets, meaning it doesn't move in a perfect circle around the Sun. Instead, its path is more of an oval. This makes Mercury's orbit very unique and quite the anomaly in our solar system. We're halfway through with fact number 5. Did you know that on Venus, a day is longer than a year? This might sound like an alien concept, but it's true. Venus has an extremely slow rotation on its axis, making its day last 243 Earth days. However, it only takes Venus 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun, which means a day on Venus is longer than its year. Now that's a fun fact to share at your next trivia night. Fact number 4 brings us to the beautiful rings of Saturn. We all know Saturn for its iconic rings, but did you know that they are made mostly of ice? The rings are composed of countless small particles, ranging from tiny, dust-sized icy grains to large chunks the size of buildings. And just think, all of this is floating around Saturn, creating that beautiful image we all know and love. Fact number 3 is all about Jupiter. It's the largest planet in the solar system, but it also has the shortest day. Jupiter spins very fast on its axis, completing a rotation in just under 10 Earth hours. This rapid spinning causes Jupiter to bulge out at the equator, giving it an oblate shape. We're down to the last 2 facts. Fact number 2 takes us back to our home planet, Earth. Despite being the 3rd planet from the Sun, Earth is the only known planet in the universe to support life. It's located in the Goldilocks zone, a region that's not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water to exist, which is a key ingredient for life as we know it. And finally, drumroll, please. Fact number 1. The most mind-blowing fact about our solar system, in my opinion, is its sheer size. Our solar system is so vast that light, the fastest thing we know of, takes over 8 minutes to travel from the Sun to Earth. And if you wanted to drive across our solar system at a speed of 65 miles per hour, it would take you about 6,000 years. Now that's a road trip you'd want to pack a few extra snacks for. And that, my friends, was the number 1 mind-blowing fact about our solar system. Wow, what a celestial journey it's been. We've traversed the solar system, unearthing 15 mind-blowing facts. We've marveled at Pluto's heart-shaped glacier, Venus's retrograde rotation, and the towering Olympus Mons on Mars. We've been dwarfed by Jupiter's massive size, intrigued by Saturn's disappearing rings, and tilted our heads at Uranus's sideways rotation. We've weathered Neptune's supersonic winds and were left in awe by the final 7 amazing facts about our cosmic neighborhood. Each fact a testament to the beauty, mystery, and sheer magnitude of our solar system, a reminder of how tiny we are, and yet how much we've managed to discover and understand. It's been a fascinating expedition, filled with surprises and marvels at every turn. But remember, this is just the tip of the astronomical iceberg. There's so much more to explore, to learn, to comprehend. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground.